double space. How do I double space 850 rows? Physically put a row between every row. Well, here's the technique. I can actually do it in about 7 seconds, but you wouldn't learn anything. So I'm going to put a number 1 here. And I want to number them. Most people, to do that, put in a 1 and a 2, because if I drag that down, I just get 1s. But if I put it just a number 1 in, make that selection, I have selected a blank cell to the right or left, but the one to the left is not blank. And I drag that down. Look, that works. So I'm going to double click that, do a Control-C to copy, Control down arrow to get to the bottom, and then paste. I now have 2 sections of 1 to 850. There's a 1 here and a 1 above, of course. There's a 10 here and a 10 above, of course, but all these have blanks to the left. So I just have to go to the Data tab and click the Sort, and I am done. Get rid of column E. Voila. Total. So I have a total here. I do not want to drag across and get total of the, use the fill handle. I don't want to get that because this is a useless thing. I don't want total percent of total. I just want to get the total there and here and so on. So if I make that selection to start and drag, it'll copy the pattern. That's pretty cool. Except after Q1, it threw off the pattern. It goes back to April. So if I try to go further, it messed up the pattern. So how do I do that? I go to where the pattern ends, and then I continue again to the end because I have a new pattern. And I have exactly what I need. Mirror, I like this one because Microsoft, I haven't found anybody who can explain it because the guy who kind of created this left the company a long time ago. This is a camera tool picture of A1 to F16. So I have the camera tool in here. I check A1 to F16, and I just click the camera tool. Then I clicked over here, and that's what I get. But if I move this into it, you can see it like a hall of mirrors. I put it up here, right? And if I just jiggle it, each time I get another image. Now, why does jiggling do that? Who knows? But if I change that number 4 to a 5, only the first one changes. Make it a 6, then a 3, then a Bob. Seems like it keeps history. I have to right mouse click on the QAT, and I do customize the quick access toolbar. I then have to include all commands, and one of them is camera. There it is, camera, and I just add it to my quick access toolbar. I already had it. And then whatever you do and use the camera tool, I click someplace, I get that. Let's make a table of contents. If I get rid of this, I added, let's take a quick look at how this is different, because this is really going to be pretty cool. Table of contents. I have the word hyperlink, and then the rest of what we just saw. But I also put a bang A1 in it. Okay, so that's this. If I now copy and paste special values, which I'm going to drag, right mouse click and drag away, right, drag back, copy here as values only. Okay, then I'm going to replace the name of the workbook with the brackets, master TNT XLSM bracket. Replace that with a pound sign. It's all 52 replacements. Watch. Auto number. Click. Look, it's a hyperlink. Auto number questions. I'm on auto number questions. Alt from a hyperlink. Alt left arrow takes you back. This one. Alt left arrow takes me back. I now have a table of contents. Cool. I'm going to add a note. New note. I just get that boring thing, right? So let's leave that alone. For the sake of speed, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to click on the border and then do Control-1 And colors and lines in color, fill effects. I have gradient, texture, pattern, and picture. Picture. Let's select a picture. How about a Bing image search? Let's do animals. Let's do, that's fine. I'll click on that and click. Oh, scroll down. Supposed to say insert. It's not allowing me to insert. That's weird. It always did. All right, I'll cancel that. I'll do a picture from a file. I like Bing image search better. But let's go to pictures and all right, me and my wife. Insert. Okay. Click OK. Click OK. There it is. That's now the comment. To change the shape, I have another tool in here that says change, not switch windows. Where is it? I have a change shape. Oh, no, more. There's a change shape. It's gone now. Change shape. There it is. Okay. So I want to edit the note and click on the border. And now I can go to the change shape. And let's say I pick a star. And I can make that bigger. And of course, my note would have to be in white font and bigger and so on. But no more boring fonts, big boring notes.